crikey, there's a lizard in the office.
What's your technique?
I don't know. Lizard! I'm gonna scoop him.
You're gonna scoop him?
Yeah, I'm gonna scoop. Instead of come with
The
like
culprit.
Huh?
The exterminator.
You wanna get in here? Make it easy, easy on you. God.
Since when did you get to be a chicken?
Not a chicken, it's a lizard though. It's a bearded dragon. That just sounds fierce. Can I touch you? Can I touch you? Oh. Can I scoop you? Scoop 'em.
He's looking at you like, what the hell?
Hey, Is it like a mating call? Friendly.
Come on, get him.
I'm scared.
You want me to call Cameron?
No. Cameron can't do it. He's afraid of spiders. You should have seen him when that spider came out of the closet. Hugged me. Come on, you wanna come with me? Is it a friendly sock?
Just go like you're gonna pet him.
I
And
am.
don't toss him this way if you get scared.
Oh. We should have started petting him more when he was a baby.
Okay, well that's not gonna solve the problem now. Just scoop his ass up and throw him back in there.
You can't even scoop him up and put him in there. Just give me a moment. Lizard.
He likes it.
No, it doesn't.
He's like, ooh, that's more.
He's scaring me. I'm gonna scoop him up with this. Oh, you didn't buy it. It should be easier. You let me touch you? Huh?
See?
How is this gonna scoop him up?
Put your hand out, like that. See if he'll crawl on your
He
hand.
won't crawl on my hand. He's a lizard. Friendly?
Okay, so what's plan B? Plan A isn't working.
Maybe I could just grab him really fast and toss him in there. Not friendly though.
Hmm?
I'm scared. Even though there's practically nothing he can do to get. You're a wuss.
Don't throw him this way if you get scared.
I'm not gonna throw him through my necklace that way. No.
So stiff.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
I got you.
Oh, his nipple.
She has a nipple. Ugh.
You saved the day. Turn around so I can take a picture. Wait, don't put that back on.
Why?